Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back again to another video on this channel. In this one, we talk about changing phones in terms of your Apple Watch. So let me explain everything and let's get into it right now. So the way it works is that your iPhone can be attached to multiple Apple Watches, but an Apple Watch, on the other hand, can only be connected to one specific iPhone. It doesn't work the other way around, unfortunately, and as you can expect, it's not going to be as simple when it comes to switching to a different iPhone. What you'll need to at first is to unpair your Apple Watch from current iPhone. This means that in the meantime, your Apple Watch will become useless because it cannot work alone without a phone that it's attached to. So yeah, it's a huge step, but it's quite often that people do so when they set up their new iPhone. So the manual approach to unpairing an Apple Watch goes like this. You open up the Watch app on your iPhone, and then you tap on the All Watches button in the top corner. If you have multiple of them paired to your iPhone, which we mentioned that is possible, locate the one you want to unpair, then tap on the information button next to it on the right. Then when you scroll down, you can find the button to unpair Apple Watch. Of course, once again, this will make the Apple Watch not usable until you pair it again to another iPhone. Then you can introduce another iPhone into the picture and open up the Watch app on it and just pair as a brand new Apple Watch. So you'll need to follow the same process, like setting it up and everything. So that's how it works. I hope I have explained it properly. If I did, please let me know down below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.